So first I went in with a little bit of Sigma's eyeshadow base in Persuade just to kind of cancel out any discoloration on my eyelid. And then I took this Marcel eyeshadow palette and I took the lightest color and I just applied that over my lid to make sure everything, to kind of set the base and make sure everything blends nicely. And then I took, of course, the orangish brown shade for my transition color with the Sigma E38 brush and just blended that into my crease. And then I took this matte, it's like a purple grayish color with another Sigma E38 brush, and I just added that to the outer corner, keeping it just kind of on half the lid to the outer corner. And then I took a small detailing brush from Sigma and applied a little bit of a matte black shadow to the outer corner just to give it a little bit more dimension and make it a little bit darker right there. And then for the inner corner, I took the lightest color, shimmery color from that palette again and put it in my inner corner. And my lower lash line is just the transition shade blended out and then a little bit of black pressed up against the lower lash line. And then I took this liquid liner, Black Magic liquid liner from Ico, and I am not good with these types of pens. I don't know why, I'm just not really good, especially for the end wing. But this pencil was actually, it didn't dry out when I was doing my whole liner, so that's what I liked, because a lot of them tend to dry out before you're done with your liner. This one didn't, which I really liked. I'm going to start off by bronzing my face a little bit, and I'm going to take Tarte's Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And I'll be using a duo fiber brush, which is the Sigma F15 brush. I like using this brush because I can control exactly where I put it and it goes on a lot lighter also. And then for blush, I'm going to take MAC's Warm Soul, which doesn't have a, I've had it forever, and I'm going to use a Sigma angled blush brush. Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette. And I'm going to use the color Gleam, I think. Gleam. With the Sigma fan brush. But first I'm going to go in with the Pixie Glow Mist. I'm going to spray that first. I'm going to use another brush because that one was wet. I'm going to set everything with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 2. And then for lips, I'm going to take Smashbox's Always On Liquid Lipstick in Chill Zone. Gerard Cosmetics Underground lip liner.